Hi guys, we'd like to take you along our 80-day winter trip from Georgia out to Quartzsite, Arizona and back with 22 stops, 6 states, and 4,800 miles. We'll give you quick reviews of the campgrounds we stay in, places that we go, fun stuff that we do, and ugly stuff that happens too. Thanks for coming along for the ride with us. Here was our next stop. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. This time we stayed at Road Host RV Park in Anthony, Texas for 2 nights just outside of El Paso, Texas, just minutes from New Mexico. This campground is open all year and is located behind Camping World about a mile from I-10. This area of Texas is beautiful, but you can also have strong winds and they do not disappoint. The storms are prevalent. Dust, dust, dust. It's super windy out here. It's got to be over 30, maybe about 40. I had a hard time opening up my door. Listen to that wind. Good thing these are strapped down good. It's a little breezy out here. A lot of people here.
Yeah. Probably a lot of people living here.
Yeah.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at American RV Park on the left.
Okay, now we gotta, maybe we have to turn left here. See if that sign says anything. Road Host RV Park. I'm guessing that's registration office. We're in Vinton, Texas on our way to Arizona to go to Quartzsite. And we got a wind and dust advisory. West winds 25 to 35, gusts up to 50. Right along I-10, which is where we're at. It's been fun driving here. Woohoo! This campground is full. See how dusty it is there? You can hear our slide rattling in the gusts. We're the first one on the end here, so we're blocking the wind for everybody else, unfortunately. Holy moly, you can feel that. Wow. Whoa. Holy moly.
Stretching that topper out, huh?
Yeah. Well, we pulled the slide in. It was just getting too wild. Afraid the toppers are going to rip off. But we can live like this until we have to go to the bathroom. This campground is open all year and is located behind Camping World, about a mile from I-10. Campsites are large and have full hookups with 30-50 amp, cable TV, and Wi-Fi. Cost is $45 per night, but only $36 per night if you have a Good Sam membership. We paid when we arrived and tax was included. They have 142 spaces spread out on a level gravel lot. They have 50 seasonal sites and the local school bus stops there. Campsites each have a light and are 80 by 35 feet in size, very spacious. All sites face north-northeast, so that helps with the afternoon shade and the desert paradise views of the foothills of the Franklin Mountain State Park. Amenities include restrooms, laundry facilities, dog park, but also consider they have snakes in the area. Don't feed the birds or the wildlife, and do not leave food out for any animals. Quiet time is from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. Check-in is at noon and check-out is at 11 a.m. Although we did not leave the campground, there was plenty of restaurants and shopping nearby. You can make a reservation by going to the website at roadhostrv.com. You'll see here, it'll even tell you that it's El Paso RV Park. It's had several names. And you just come down here and you click on Book a Spot Now. It'll bring you up to their reservation area. And you just put your dates in over here on the left-hand side. Say I want to be there for one night. And then it'll pop up which ones are available. So then all you got to do is click on it. Tells you it's $40. Tells you that it's available. And gives you a little bit of information about the site and the location down here. They all say the same thing. Up here will give you a phone number to call. But this way you can at least see what is available and get the site that you want. You can click on Daily Weekly up in the left-hand corner here. And you do that, it'll actually show you the map. And I believe that those that are gray are available and those that are pinky orange are not. But you can also click on those, a gray one, I-19, and it has Call Us. So that one is available. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.